Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing this Walking Pad Treadmill with desk. The box arrived well packed and everything inside was protected, nothing was damaged. Inside the box you get the Walking Pad Treadmill, the handlebar with console, the removable desk, power cord, safety key, tools and screws, user manual. Everything you need to set it up is included. The treadmill feels solid and well built. It's not flimsy. The walking belt is smooth and wide enough to walk comfortably. This model comes with a big LED display. It shows speed, time, distance, and calories. The screen is clear and easy to read. I like the simple controls. It has quick buttons for speed, start, stop, and pause. There are also shortcut buttons for different speeds. The desk is a big feature for me. It fits a laptop, phone, tablet, and water bottle. You can remove it if you don't need it. Other features I like: up to 8 miles per hour for walking or light jogging. Quiet motor, good for home use. 300 pounds weight capacity. Manual incline option for more effort. Compact design, good for small spaces. Safety key for extra protection. Setup was simple and didn't take long. Overall, this is a great walking pad if you want to stay active at home while walking or watching something. It's practical, easy to use, and doesn't take up much space.